2, 1, 0.
I am learning all about how things move around and the different, like, their positions, their velocity, acceleration, and just like how gravity affects them.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's just changed my perspective a lot on life in general, and just like I think a lot more about the things around me. Like I'm asking more questions about things moving instead of just taking it for granted. So I feel like it's helped me grow in that way.
Going down the ramp, it tracks that distance. It's impacting me because I'm trying to become an engineer, and a lot of that is physics. And if I'm learning all the physics and learning about how things work and how systems work and things move around, then that'll just help me in the future.